teething issues with the YouTube starting. I have to stop the system a few times, but we're getting there. Just gonna get my route and then we're gonna test the build I made. Hope you're well. Oh, my morning has been very productive, and that's no sarcasm involved whatsoever. It is productive, very productive. In the afternoon, when I said I was going to do some things, well, I don't need to do one thing because I found a piece of paper which will help me with that. And oh, I'm speaking over here, and you can hear the echo. That might be due to all the paper I picked up off the floor and stuck in another corner. So now my sound bounces off everything. Lovely. Well, I've just ordered some folders off Amazon so I can get myself a better filing system, because the filing folders I've got are only good for small pieces of paper. I need a giant folder that I can stick everything related to in there. Write something in big bold letters on the front and stick it in my downstairs wardrobe. And have it out of the way. Yeah. Are you ready for this? Got the webcam on. So let's switch that back on. Crick my neck trying to do that. Oh, I need to readjust this as I shifted it over. Is it looking right? Can we go further? Oh wow, that might be right. Wow. Why is that looking better than ever? I'm gonna need to stick a light on. It's starting to get darker. So here we are. 0.12.1. This is a build I made today based on all the changes I've made over the last 2 weeks or so. Because even though I released A-Spec First Assault last Friday, the build was already over a week old then, because I was spending a fair amount of time testing it, and then I didn't want to make any changes to the build while waiting for release in case I decided to rush something out, which quite could have been a thing. So I'll start off with the boring stuff. I realised I hadn't tested any of the tutorials, so here's a good opportunity to make sure all the tutorials are going to work, and we could autopilot out of there. So let's get our notepad. Come on, let me get over here. So let's see, just scroll to the bottom of all this. I'll decide whether or not 1.12.1 test build test. So navigation 1 tutorial. Let's see, so autopilot is enabled. So I need to disable autopilot via script. So we can already see dialogue, timings, need adjusting because we've changed the times. See, this is perfect now. We've got pure white background. Does it affect with anything? All right. There we go. So dialogue needs just first to dialogue. I'll say from other tutorials. Yeah. Right. Intermediate. See, I thought I did that and then waited at the end, but no, I guess not. Yeah, really needed it like to blink in the directives, don't I? Because if you're not paying attention in the corner of the eye, you're not really going to see it. So it can blink between the white and right. Good. That's the next one we can get through. Other than just that first bit of dialogue cutting off, so far, so good. See, it's this one. To complete the program, it goes, boop, which I'm sure a lot of people will be actually quite thankful of. So. See, this probably could be improved by making it a bit more obvious. Navigation. Navigation 2. Tutorial 2. 1. Improvement on slide, then have our player hold right, left for 1 second. To show direction of travel maintained. Rather than just free. And actually, yeah. So what happens after we disable the slide? Yeah. See, most of this is like the text will progress on an action, but there's some things, well, there it doesn't. Dialogue after slide timing adjustments. Occasionally it may be blah 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 blah. Someone on Discord said we're doing notes, pretty much what I'm doing with caps lock, and lo and behold, I'm doing exactly what that they said was annoying them, shouting in all caps. However, I could just do convert case to proper case. Yeah, not great, but lowercase. There we go. Full throttle ahead. Oh, reverse. That's just a little bugbear to me. See, mouse cursor is enabled even though steering. No, thing is, if we do that, then what happens if we've only got one access enabled? Tough. Yeah, and then number targeting 1. Okay, so that was tutorial 3, was it? Okay. Right. That was tutorial 3 with a slide, wasn't it? Advanced. Yeah. And yeah, so another tutorial. New navigation tutorial to cover free flight. Well, let's see, it's covering Forward thrust override. Forward reverse thrust override. And free flight, do it in there. Should make sure I'm reading this text, paying attention. Should really wait for the text. Shows me it's just going too slow. Need it to just flash on and then be enough time to read. Possibly. Or have an option where the player can just accept the dialogue gets paused. So this one, so we did targeting basic, targeting intermediate. So new targeting tutorial, which uses targeting 01 basic ships placements, which introduces using the tactical view during targeting. Call it tactical, but is it really tactical? Are you a tactical? Maybe, just maybe. skybox needs to be facing the other way. Now, weapons. Right, I said it took a little bit too long. Check. It's like, is that text going to fade out over a second, or did it just vanish? Sure, it faded. Yeah, it fades. Cool. Oh, look at that. Caught Ninu. Which is this? Weapons and tutorial. Button 2. Got Ninu. Spelling. This goes to show Grammarly is not very good at dealing with spelling. Because all of that's been through Grammarly. I think that's fine. I think that shows players that. Oh, look, the autopilot light's on again. When it kicks us out. Let's needs disabling script. I think that shows just how tough these ships are. And that, like, you're killing it in less than 30 seconds. So I think that is okay. Gives you a bit of experimentation of not killing it too quickly. Like you can cycle through your weapons if you wanted to. Like you can see the gun pips moving around and shooting different bits. And there's a bit more interesting things going on as well. So I think that is fine. Personally. Now, if you're going up into skirmish, nope, not skirmish, into campaign, prologue 1. I should really get rid of that. This screen needs rewriting. People are like, why is the news button not working? Because there's no news. But really, we could do with removing that. Remove the non-implemented news button from the campaign menu. Like that can be done for the build. And even if we did select it, so because we're like, I can't select the news if I'm on a controller. You're right. Well, that's a little bit more confusing. So, might as well just get rid of it. It makes sense. It's not implemented, it's very useless. All the text on here is fine. I don't have to change anything there. We just have to get way through. Oh, there's dust. Holy moly. Where's this dust come from? Oops. I'm off camera. Not really. Sorry. There's a bit of a wide angle lens there, isn't there? Ugh. I hope I'm not coming down with a cold. We're expecting turbulence there, Captain. Oh no, it's turbulence. Oh no, it's a bumpy ride. Yeah, Star Trek, oh, we're nearly there. Oh, shake the camera. Doesn't really work if I can't shake the screen. Oops. 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 Derp. Okay. Oh, yeah. Use that to stop us. That's the plan. Oh, no, no. Oh, I can use my sign thrusters now. That directs his list gets long, doesn't it? Thing is with this, I need to replay and do things differently. Because just doing everything that is expected of the player, players will do different things. So I'll have to try and do things which would break the scripting. Like flying straight into that asteroid and pushing it out of range. That is something you can do. But if you do that, well, you're going to have to restart the mission until I fix it. And stop you being from stupid. Well, maybe I should just get them to explode if you collide into it and go, you dumbass. Why'd you do that? So we can fly into these and go, boop. Oh, I forgot to sort those explosions out, didn't I? Oops. I thought I'd solved that, but obviously not. Completely forgot about these explosions not happening on these. They just disappear. Completely forgot. Oh my word, how did I forget that? I'm sure I wrote it down. Hang on a minute. On collision, they didn't disappear. However, what are they shooting at? What the hell? Oh, they were at fire at will, weren't they? So, go there, go in between these, and then yeah, that exploded. Very meager explosion. So did they add explosion? Well, they explode when weapons fire. But they don't explode when hit. Is that right? Oh no, they do. So the explosions on them are just stupidly small. On hazard asteroids, too small. Oh, there's ads running. Didn't notice that. I'll just wait a moment for the ads to finish running on Twitch. Welcome back, Twitch. So it's like introduce the player like, yes, you may have to travel long distances. Can't get there always immediately. However, If you really need to go really, really far, you'd be like, oh, fuck this. Am I really supposed to go that far? Oh, look. Even the game knows that's just ridiculously far away. Let's use the afterburner. Reach 1,000. Okay, I reached 1,000. Slide. I've now slowed down, so I can always speed up a bit. Disable the slide. And if you need to emergency stop because you're an idiot, then you can. And this is where I've been writing like 1,000 and then the number 1,000. No one said anything about that yet. That text just needs shortening. And then it's like, okay, let's go back. Let's afterburn. Oh look, we can forward thrust, override, and afterburn. Not that any of it makes a difference. How fast can we go? I'm going to set 0 throttle just to see how we bounce. Let's make sure we do bounce off this. Oh shit! Oh, why? That's hilarious. Ooh, target. Ooh, enable auto targeting. Oh look, it targets another hostile. Those explosions. Chef's kiss. Text still going on about. Blah, 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 blah. And then the text eventually catches up. I'm gonna have to do something with how it is. Text coming along on the screen's a bit slow. It's like How's best to handle this as a game where there's no actual speaking? Do I just talk, but the dialogue, but then it's different than reading, isn't it? Should I set it up as if people were talking? Should I get text to speech added? Oh, finally someone actually shot me. So we can use the nearest target attacker. See, that's a control you could potentially miss if they don't shoot you. And now there's no one who shot me. We can hear that audible thing saying, nope, not happening. Hey. So all these ships like Infinity Comet, Orion's Legend, Harmony, Stole, Stream Quark, those all should be added to our survivors list. So when we eventually, after this mission, the transport's escaping, we'll see a list. Yes, feel the rhythm, feel that beat. Oh yeah. Now, I haven't noticed. Maybe I should look out a little bit for, yeah, nice smooth explosions. No more of that dodginess. And is that, yeah, even. Seems that way. How's the FPS? Holding steady, 60 FPS. Yeah, it seems that the skybox is moving smoothly as well, because before it wasn't, so I don't know whether that was just a hiccup, where maybe the PC just needed a restart or what. There's another wing. Who's... You're stuck. You're stupid. Merchant's Bane has been shot in the rear, so I see all the flares coming off. Once we actually get a proper concave, is it? Concave or convex? Concave. Then they'll look flush. Nice. Now, was there something on here? Oh dear, look at that. They're all stellar arc? Oh shit. Well, that's what we get when we test. That's what we expect. Log. Mission 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 4 equals stellar arc. D5 equals string.empty equivalent. And D6 it was stellar arc. So let's get you through. This is what tugs are used for. We do the same for you. You're probably gonna die, aren't you? Because you know. Maybe say, sod you, and we'll go for the next one once set off. Got more of a chance. No, don't move out of the way, you dumbass. You just spoilt the fun. Ugh, you spoilt the fun now. Trying to avoid those fighters. Afterburn, boy. Oh boy, we've got no chance. Oh well, bye. I tried. But you were stupid. Interesting. Well, we protected one stellar arc. Now we just need to get out of here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Is that transport? Bugged us out. Interesting. Okay. See what I mean about scripting and... Ah, there we go. I was like, what's going on? I guess it's all in a timer and it just all went a bit too... So they're all attacking you now, and you're like off on your... Ugh. Please. Just, no. I'm trying to be clever and save you, but I ain't got no chance now. You're dead. All because your fat-ass station got in the way. Oh well. Don't worry. I'll save you! Oh no. Can I give you a speed boost? A little bit, but not enough. Alright, it's time for us to get out of here, that's for certain. Now, I'll be interested to see how these names are showing up. We have Stellar Arc, and then some other names. Mission 7. Stellar Arc from B6 got through, but all others died. T1 equals Stellar Arc. T2 equals Stellar Arc. T3 ever gentle. T4 equals full integrity. So yeah, sort of works, but doesn't. Oh, I can have a look and see. Well, actually, we can't really see. Well, now that we know that things go wrong, I'll have to look at the save file after the mission from Prologue Mission 3 and see what's in there. In fact, I've just thought, I'm taking the values from the file, from the variable, and it removes them and it does save back to the variable, so I should be using really a temporary variable that only exists for the life of the mission. Copy it to there and then make our modifications. So, my mistake. Aha, I'm now targeting you, who's attacking them, but then everyone else is it's quite obvious who's shooting you, I think. Everyone's shooting you. Oh boy. No, there was no friendly fire involved in that at all. I swear. Honest to high heavens and whatever. Shoo! I blinked and someone disappeared. Crap. Panic. It's all going down. It's all going to pot. It's alright, we've still got 2 left. Oh no. It's not in our favour. Who's the next? Come on, target faster. Who's shooting you now? You're not even nowhere near. Stop it! Stop shooting him. He's not shooting you. He's friendly. What's he ever done to you? Oh, sugar. Oh boy. Well. I think, actually, that's the thing, isn't it? So, they all attack a transport, wipe that out, and then they're like, right, full integrity, anyone shooting you, in. Oh, we can at least have someone survive, can't we? Where's it even shooting from? I can't see. Oh my word. Bugger off. Leave him alone. Look at all these guys coming after me. I'd rather you shoot me than him. Alright, no one's shooting you. Because hopefully that means they're all just after me. So yeah, I think maybe we're okay. I think with that, I did say, like, did I not write something there about that? No idea. Thought I did. Probably didn't. So you're all the way over there and there's no enemies near you on the radar because they're all here shooting at me. Is my escort alive? Yeah, you're fine. You hurry up and jump through. Boom. Fire at will. Will is not a valid target. Yeah. Okay. Oh, diddles. So a little bit of problem with the ship names. So, okay. Then we can come into here and like, yeah, show us what you got, baby. Yeah, like, whatever. Yeah. Hey, even, oh yeah, it's on a wing, isn't it? So really, this should be an introduction to wingmen? Maybe? An extended prologue. Oh. Hmm. What's that blue stuff up there? Tell you what it is. It's your reverse thrusters, boy. Your RCS thrusters. In fact, let's have a look and see. Is it doing what I thought it would do? And yeah, possibly. That's interesting. See, all I've got in the file is Stellar Arc for the Prologue 4 survivors, which might be right. Transport in PM4 survived, and now what's that range? 17,000. Oh, I'm not even moving. It's like, why am I not getting closer? Engines, Daniel. Engage. New target. Hey. And I could now try doing that, but oh, there we go. Whee! Oh, that is so hard. Oh, it also just wants to stay that direction, doesn't it? So it's like slowly adjusting. It's very useless. So then we can like, is there a direction we can Is it? Oh yeah, that one. Oh, that's not good. What's going on here? Zoom out. I think there was a collision, wasn't it? Why does it want to zoom in there? So bizarre. Enough. Just break an attack. Jeez. Not following me. I hit him. Look, you can see all the gas, the fuel leak. Boom. Love it. It's hilarious. And they don't bounce everywhere every time they hit my heavy weapon. Only when they die, you lose control. Yeah, now we can like refit fleet, load out, give us like super duper strong, I guess. Yeah, keep you on there. It's the most powerful, so why not? Got any missile orders yet? These, well, want to increase firing rate, you know? That's what we need. So, destroy the convoy. What's that? Fighters? So pretty. What? Did they even hit? What did they hit? How bizarre. Yeah, I think the missiles can blow themselves up. They about collided with each other. That's no good, is it? It needs to spread out a little bit so they're not constantly in each other's path. This is why you need a shotgun weapon. If I only thought and had a bit of forward thinking. Main target priority, that way a rear turret might actually shoot something. Oh, I'm blocking the chat if anyone's talking on YouTube, which I highly really doubt it. Come on, don't be like that. Just, yeah, see. Never presume. Really, ads in 1 minute? See, for this, to improve this mission, basically transports need to be able to jump out when they reach a destination. And I guess we'll need assets like jump gates, which can visually represent them where they're going to. Oh. Shake them off. There we go. I think the rear turret did most of the work. There we can always autopilot out. What happens? Does it break the game? No. Mission successful. A distress call. I'll be right back. Might as well have a wee. Washing on me maiden, so I'll be 2 minutes. Oh! Managed to accidentally put one of those heat maps through. Let's just turn the webcam off. What's the point in having it if the green screen's going to get in the way? Yeah, you know, like the heat packs you put on your back for back pain and whatnot. One went in the washing machine accidentally. Thankfully nothing bad came of it. So what's this? This is protecting this, well, from fighters, piece of P. You just send off some missiles. Did they even hit? Apparently. Would have accepted a bit more damage. Like that, you see. So there's something still not quite right with missiles hitting their targets and causing damage. So those missed and never hit anything now. Just turn, hold fire. Yeah, see, it didn't take like 2 hits and it were dead. Roll 5 hit it and hardly do any damage. So I already fixed the problem with the missiles and now there seems to be another. What's this one? Oh yeah. So now we've got a gunship. So if I fire off my missiles from here, I wonder if my weapons is shooting the missile and shooting it down. I need better logging, that would tell me. If I start logging events, it might actually tell me what the fudge is actually happening. Hey. Oh, see those torpedoes? Oh, we hit that. Good, innit? Some sweet torpedoes. Is it dead? No. Hurry up and die, gunship. Where are all these guys? Oh, they're flying around, they're doing the thing. I'm gonna have to make them like a set of missiles where when they instead of going straight for the target, they separate out straight away like an umbrella and then move in. And that way they might be less likely to get in the way of each other. Why are you all the way over there? Oh yeah, that's where we're heading. See, all those missiles hit something, but what? It didn't seem to hit you, did it? So like I say, better logging. So much easier when you're behind them. So much easier. Whoop. Oh, missiles are finished. Rubbish. Ah, yes. He's on fire. Look, son. You're on fire, mate. You're also getting pushed. Let's help you out. Can we help you out? Oh, we got stuck. Physics. Physics. Oh, I'm not strong enough to actually push you. Because your own thrusters. Oh. Un momento, por favor. Okay, okay. Oh. Oh. I'm liking the menus better. What I've changed anyway. So do we get more stuff we can outfit? Like, I mean, should we go with like, what's the range of that? So, no, blaster, range about 3,000. What's the DPS on that? This. Really? Don't have DPS on there? Yeah, it's called damage, Daniel. What the fudge? 44.3. And 79 to work with, so let's put the most expensive one we can fit. Oh, we still got to keep weapon upgrades. Oh. Steady frame rate with all the weapons going off. I am quite pleased. Oh, I wonder wonder if the flight time's too short. Maybe that was the problem for the range. Love the blasters. Getting close. Whack. Oh, I missed him. Suppose that and then start looking doing this again. Or does it still steer okay? Is it? Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'm slightly worried then for a second that maybe changing the frame rate in the menus and resuming it would have doing something negative, but no. Nothing at all. So when you set your turrets to main target priority, if a turret cannot shoot your main target, it will shoot that. However, as soon as you get it in range, then it will shoot your target. So you can always keep your turrets engaged with something, or if they're extremely large and slow at reloading, then you can always change your target priority. I just love this shotgun. Super powerful, like a shotgun should be, but the spread is quite wide. Oops. Well, if I can... Alright, shoot the top of you, shall we? Yay, you're dead. Boom. You're big, and there we go. Done that. We're not done a scout. So sometimes there are people like, oh, there's nothing else rather than combat. Well, yeah, there is. There's this one mission after the prologue that has 0 combat. Why the hell has my microphone just exploded? What is going on? Am I speaking normal? Or microphone's exploded? I don't know. How about if I put the microphone... Yeah, wow. The microphone's changed. I've got it out of the way. And for some reason... unless I'm... Maybe I'm... I don't know. What's going on with my voice? I've suddenly gone a lot louder. That's bizarre. So we come up to here anyway, and notice that we're taking damage even though we've got armour. Some systems are vulnerable to damage despite armour. Oh, maybe I should just do a reverse afterburn just to shake them off. Boom. Then we'll get back to the scan. There we go. So now we can actually just say, well, we've not done anything at all, and yes, you can just not do anything with combat and just pretend you're a scientist for that one mission. Oh. Hey, hilarious. Oh, that's interesting. So that's actually given me an hour and 40 minutes playtime going through there. Cool. Because I thought I was literally just going to get an hour out of it. But they're playing it that way, and there's actually an hour and a half of a game there. So no wonder why people aren't refunding it. Because there's actually something there to play, and then you can just go through these ones. Or maybe I should just have all of them listed at the end, just so it's like, these are all the missions. Why don't you choose one? So, that's the campaign. Let's have a look at skirmish. Medium. Have we got a moment? I did adjust that, the audio levels of that, but it seems to still be a bit of a problem. But, you know. Yeah, I think my bridge is wrecked, apparently. But hey, we're still doing stuff. Redundancies upon redundancies. Oops. That didn't go well, did it? So how about then I edit my ship? So the railgun is alright, but it's a bit shit. How about, since we're getting up close and personal, actually we could do that, yeah. Just like, oh, I still can't even fit that, wow. How about get rid of all of that? So you got all these enhancements as well, you still get wiped out. Blaster 16, Blaster 16, and now increased armor, nanite optimization. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, that's why it looked weird, because all the turrets had disappeared before because they got exploded. Oh. Need to get really close for these to be effective. So come on. At least those armor upgrades are beneficial. How useless! These are supposed to be shotguns, clevery stuff. Maybe I need to turn flight assist off and do that. And try and orbit this bugger. Come on, trying to. I think maybe the spread of them is now not very good against. Yeah, look at that. Ouch. Try and avoid getting hit in the forward direction and. Hello! Oh yeah, that spread is crazy. I need to like this close. Like that. Point blank, in the face. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's too overpowered. Otherwise, you just have to get right there in the close. So if you want to be a brawler, just get those blasters fitted and be a brawler. if you are wondering what I'm working on, there is a demo. It's called A-Spec First Assault. It's available on Steam Early Access. I'll have to check to see if people have actually given me any feedback via this feedback form, because they're not joining via Discord. And then again, there's only 15 people who've bought it. The last time we checked. Actually, no, 16 people who've bought it last time I checked. And people generally don't give feedback. So what's to do now? I've only been streaming less than 2 hours as well. So I guess we get to do it all over again. Well, don't have to do it all over again, but we will. And this time we'll check the file and make sure. What happens if I just delete the contents of that file? Does it freak out an error? I bet it will. Oh no, that's good. Has it actually now created anything? No. Got to actually complete a single mission before it populates the data. Maybe I should change that. Just to make my life easier during development, so long as it's created. Wait for scan results, boys and girls. Approach next waypoint. Or we can use the throttle presets. Hey, oh gosh, let's make dizzy. Oh boy, yeah, very dizzy. Right. I did say we should do things differently, didn't I? But I didn't. So one of the things we haven't checked, which we should do, is like at the start. So we can continue. I can go into options and change all the options because someone said escape should drop you back. But you can just do left and go back, so maybe we should. Escapes usually do menus, don't they? Especially if you just got a load of sliders, so yeah. Privacy. Open Unity's a privacy policy in a new window. Yep. So Unity have like removed that little button that you could like just enter your email address and click submit and it would just remove all your stuff. But now I have to direct them to that. So if I click restart mission, no. Click quit. Quit, no. Click restart and select yes. And then we restart. If I click quit and click yes, we quit. Then we can go back in. So I'm happy with them little buttons, things in there. Oh, yeah, I've been playing with the mouse and I've got my joystick plugged in and I think I've still got all the controls wired up. Though I don't know what all the controls are, so I'll still have to. Oh, maybe I don't. Yeah, it's connected, but now. Oops. But office connected. Oh, when did I reset that last? Ugh. That can be the next thing as well, so I can start playing it with a joystick and seeing if it feels right with a joystick. I know some work probably needs to be done with a control pad as well, because I've been mostly just mouse and keyboard, easy for development, but I guess I should do that. But with the controller, I need to. I can't fit all the buttons, even though I've got like these shift bindings. So you hold up button 1 down and then press the second button to do an action. Even though I've done that, I still can't fit all the controls on. Even though there's like effectively 4 configurations of that. So I need to get like a selection wheel implemented or a selection menu maybe. Probably do a selection menu so you press it, it like pauses it or slows time. Maybe slow to a stop. Like good old. Why is that? Why is this not even? Why is that not flush with the border anymore? What's going on here? Really? Why have I never noticed that before? It's totally not flush. Another thing to add to the list. Elation, pause, menu, background, not flush with border edging. At edges. Or is it because I've never really paid attention in that menu ever before? Whoops. Where's my mouse gone? We overshot. Need to turn around. Tiny explosion. There's an explosion, but it's so tiny. It's hilarious. I've clicked on there. Click off that. Thank you. Yeah. So target our mineable asteroid and shoot it. We're now mining. In a loose sense, the mining beam is equivalent of just being a weapon that I've called a mining beam. And it suits the purpose for this prologue. And really then the player can just like fire at will and break the mission. Crap. Because you said it fire at will. And then we're now gonna are we gonna break the mission because we're not gonna target that? I know it will. So let's just well, so after mining first asteroid, player can just set turrets to fire at will, and then it will break scripting on the second asteroid if mined before it's targeted. See, now I could like, what do I do in that case? Do I lock I probably need to just like lock the turrets to say like, well, no, you can't do that anymore. That is exactly what I guess I should be doing. Easy fix. I'm firing at will. Well, let me target then. I'm pushing the key. There we go. Just in time for ants. Yeah, alright. Ants are about to start. So I'll just make myself a brew. Be right back. Don't forget to check out. It's on Steam. There's the demo. It's also on sale. Just saying. Buy it. Back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. I'm back. I didn't go anywhere. Honest, I didn't go anywhere at all. I was here all the time. Right, what? Let's just look at my properties for a microphone because, like, it's just boomed. Let's just bring the decimal down a bit. Oh, no. I mean, even 0 is... It's just not even needed anymore. What is going on? Crazy. Anyway, I'll just move that back up there and be fine. Or am I just losing my voice? Could be. Oh, I've just got the headphone on, really loud microphone. Yeah, it is loud, but not that loud. Not that loud in comparison to the music. Right, prologue mission 3. Must remember that after not this mission, the next mission, I need to check the file to see the state of our persistent variables. In fact, if I just pause it here and I'll look at that file. Yes, reload, and the file of variables. Yeah, they're created and they're ready for data and they're nice and empty. Weaving in and out of asteroids. Pew pew. Ugh, excuse me. That'll do. So full speed ahead without for a change. And then I mean the player could literally keep on afterburning out with their own stupidity, because we will punish them if they do that. So it says disable the slide or start slowing down. Okay. Let's start slowing down. I don't think we'll stop in time. Now it's talking about the emergency afterburner. We can see the keys and we can go like, okay, let's do that. Nice. And if you didn't do that, well, eat asteroids. And if you're lucky, those asteroids will actually stop you from flying way off in the distance if you're lucky to hit one. Because the odds of surviving an asteroid field are remarkably high. So target the ship. Subtarget 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, I follow a streamer. I'm gonna watch him. And the community love to be goblins. And one of the memes is the number 7 in there. So I remember you saying like the other month that you can't see the number 7 in the same way. And that is happening to me now, where every time the number 7 pops up, I'm just thinking, God, he's right. It's doing the same to me. I just can't think of 7 in the same way again. Oh boy. So, let's see if we can hit the station at a different angle. Fast as we can go. Super fast. Can hit it just right. Maybe. Just maybe. Yeah. There we go. Just right. But the station's flying off now. But don't worry, it's got RCS, so it can fix itself. Obviously need to adjust that because it means it can get pushed out of position. But we talked about that last time. So exit to briefing. What happened there? Oh yeah. Oh boy. I was expecting it to throw me straight into the next mission. But that's not how we made this. So we made the one. So this mission is the one where we need to check the file. So we'll check the file after we autopilot to the next scene. Once we've mopped up these targets. Badoink, badoink. Maybe set. Okay. And then I think like, was that a bit more reasonable now, or is it still? Yeah, it's a bit too slow. Oh, there we go. It's caught up. So my file, let's just confirm, is not updated. And it won't update either, will it? Because it's not saving anything at that point. Because we don't do midpoint savings. Correct? So we have to take care of these bad guys, eh? And these guys are embarrassing me by, I got hit there and it's not flat. It's not triggering it. Why does it not trigger? I'm gonna need another script like on damage if I can't figure that one out. Yeah, I know why it. No, I don't know why it is. Why is it? Is it because am I comparing it as an int? I'm sure I'm comparing it as a float, so it can't be 100%, even though there's 1 HP difference. I have to check that we're not doing a approximate check as well. Ah, that's interesting. They can actually take hull damage. Generally, yeah, you've got to be really terrible to be losing these transports. Like, you know, doing something so terrible that they stick you on the firing line for negligence of duty. Oh, gorgeous. So gorgeous. Pretty fireworks. Yay. So, exit to debriefing and continue, and load, and shite. Okay, so what it's done, I might as well show you. This is the file. This was the variable I was interested in seeing. It was blank like that, and we got the first transport that survived, but then we should have had all the others getting entered in there in the list. So the list would effectively look like, let's find the list. This is the list I was expecting to be in here, with no spaces, thank you. So we know that it's not doing that when it should. So now I have to actually come out of there and exit the game, because it doesn't reload at that point. Then I'll just write in that. What are we doing? We're writing at the bottom here, weren't we? So prologue mission 4 for when saving to for survivors only, and Stellar Arc is listed even though the rest survived. And this is why we test and test and test, because you're always going to miss something. So the interesting thing, when it went into 6, why did it list like 1 to 4 as Stellar Arc and then the others? Because we had created another variable which it should have used. It's as if it took the variable but didn't delete the variable when there was only one item in it, so then it just flaked and did something stupid. Yeah, might as well just put that. Only that was listed. And restart. And oops. Yeah. Number 5 is alive. Now we don't use those variables until after this mission. Oh no, what's happened here? There's been an explosion. Oh no, the station. No. Need to do more with that, really, don't I? Auto targets. Yeah, I'm really happy now I've put that log ticker at the top left, because even I'm missing that dialogue. But is there more that I can do? Maybe an option where whenever dialogue appears, you know, we'll just pause the game and just allow click to continue through that dialogue chain. Don't know whether it'll be jarring or not, but we can have it as an option, and the player can decide. if it's useful for them to be able to read. Because maybe the text is just too small for them anyway. Oh. Or we just do like view log there, which will then allow them to peruse the entire transmission log and maybe other events. Thing is though, some dialogue will just get cancelled out by certain events, so if that happens, what do? Just allow it to still happen and log it as if it had been said, or just treat it as, well, that dialogue never happened, so don't log it. If it doesn't show up there in the middle of the screen, it didn't happen. But that what happens if there's dialogue in progress and it gets cancelled out. Well, I guess it doesn't matter, because we're displaying the whole transmission there in the first place. That ship was totally not stuck like that one either. They're just hiding, you see. Hiding from me. It's again hide and seek. See, they're not stuck. They totally do know how to fly, they just don't know how to turn their engines off so that they can steer away and use the thrusters to move away just yet. So it's just something I need to add in there. Is that actually... yeah, it's fine. Oh look, they're all stuck here today. How embarrassing for you. This is a nice view. You know what, when people make 3D models and sell them, I really wish like they didn't stick text on there. I feel like that greenish bluish text on that container, it nags me to no end. Or at least provide a clean version of your textures, or like with layers, so I can choose to take those stupid little things off because I don't like them. If I want to do it, I'll do it myself. But to me, that's just jarring, especially like these. These are like meant to say, see how we got when my cursor is there, this little thing here, those really supposed to be running around and hiding them. Well, I might not want that, so give me a freaking option to remove it. So I am thinking that these containers would be like a flight bay, even though there's no flight hangar on it. When I say containers, I mean this has got XR3 written on it. Though if that station model was to be used anywhere else, then yeah, maybe I might actually make those changes to make it obvious. So let's see, we've played this many different ways. Well, let's do it anyway. So you, hello, to the gate, my son. And then... no, that's not the key I wanted. Oh, it's the I key. Oh. Oh. Yeah, this is good. Oh, I'm so dizzy. Well, I'll shoot you. And then, what is it? A H key to target you? Yep, great. And then go for you. So by doing this, we're giving the transports a bit of an opportunity to actually survive. So Orion Legend is having some difficulty. Oh crap. Yeah, you through there or what? Oh, they made it. Just made it. Just. You see that directives are being updated and juggling, but they'll re-come in. Maybe should we just try and destroy you? I think you're quite tough. So the other thing I've done is like, well, alright, maybe the player doesn't want to keep juggling. Maybe they just want to destroy the ship. Well, if they do that, that's batteries 4. You'll go, oh, right, okay, we don't have to worry about that objective now. So maybe we'll do this, but also make sure we're targeting the weapons so the transports still have an opportunity to get out there without taking too much damage. Yeah, look at all that debris coming off there. Oh gosh, who's shooting me? Why do I get damaged there? Oh, that's interesting, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is broken. So that was interesting. This is broken. Yeah. In the script. I have to manually adding all survivors from PM4. So that's actually a scripting issue where it failed to load them. Also, stream quark is wrong. Seems this is also broken. Took T4 name when yeah, alright, that'll do. Bit of an explanation for myself. Now, you. Boink. Aha. Nice to boink you. Oh, he's moving. He's moving, guys. He's moving. Where's he going? Are we going anywhere? You're not allowed to. He says you can move. Oh, he's doing a bit of evasive manoeuvres. He's dead. I've got him. He's down. He's down, guys. He's down. Oh, Zebra evac. Can we save you? Or are we just helping them kill you? Shit. Oh. Maybe that was part of the problem. Oops. Sorry, Zebra. Didn't like you much. Now, let's have a look at that file again. Nothing? Oh, wrong one. Okay, so they works. Yeah, stream quark. Oh, hang on a minute. What's going on there? Interesting. Was stream quark the last item from the list? Probably was, wasn't it? Is it? Yeah, it was. Okay. So we just take that. So after completing the mission, stream quark. Oh, that's P6 survivors. Only evac Zebra died. So it looks like if we're getting the last one, it's not doing something right, is it? So now we're coming in and see what we've got. So that worked fantastically. Great. Great. Oh, great. Enemies! Adjusting targeting parameters. No, that's friendly. Zoom, zoom. Whoa. Right. Shoot you from behind when there's no armor. That is the best remedy. Oh, holy moly. Macaroni. Oh. Are we actually going to do better this time now? Maybe. Maybe not. Shoot you. I'm going to shoot you. And I'm definitely going to shoot you. Just using the target under reticle key for a bit faster targeting, because sometimes you just don't want to wait for the target to explode before you switch target. Yeah, look at that. Is that all of them? Yeah, it must be all of them. Oh shit. I say that as if I don't know what's going to happen. Oh boy, where are you? Oh, you're friendly. Sorry. Didn't mean to shoot you. You just look like I should have done. You just looked at me weird. He looks at me funny, Your Honour. Oh crap. I was shooting you. I found you. You were shooting Steam Quark. Now I'm going to shoot you. And you're shooting Steam Quark, so I'm going to shoot you. And, oh. I've done it wrong. Oh, you're dead. Shit. No time for doing it, just have to shoot. Go away, go away, go away. Stop it, stop it, stop. No, you're not allowed to. Stop it. Stop it. Down, boy. Down. Damn it. Bad fighter. Bad Aquarius. Bad Capricorn. Die. No fighters were harmed in the making of this video game. Yeah, jump effects need sorting out. There we go, primary objects. What? No. Xenia. No. No. What? Complaint of PM7. All but T4 got through, and Xenia dialogue. All the transports. They are gone. Triggered incorrectly. So yeah, this is why you keep playing the same missions over and over and over and over. Because you're always finding something new. Just, yeah, I dropped absolute territory in there. I certainly did. Oh, ants in a minute. What's going on? How dare you, Mr. Ants? Hey, thrusters. RCS. They don't change colour. Why do they? In fact, actually, they look like they just stop. Some of them. How bizarre. Oh, if you're on Twitch, suffered ads. Suffered with the ads. Engage. Oh, I'm not moving forward again. Why do I keep doing that in this mission? Does that mean other people are doing it as well? It's very strange. Look, you can see the turrets equipped on him. Go on, go get on. And you can even see him firing. Whoop. Evasive maneuverers. He was shooting me. I saw him shoot me. I also used the hotkey to find out who was shooting me. What last hit? He didn't even touch you. See how the gun pips are moving around? They're tracking the subsystems on the ship. So if you push into the extents on it, you could potentially miss, but if you get your cursor right on the middle, then you're more of a chance of hitting something correct. Maybe I should have the center mass in there as well. New equipment. So I'm thinking that blaster, MLRS, you, I could do you, and I don't really need armor for this unless you're really bad. Seek and destroy gunship. Oh, we got the last playthrough, it was all fighters, so now at least the random routines are actually working. And again, the missiles didn't. Yeah, I would not be surprised if it's just literally weapon fire causing those missiles to be destroyed. Not in the slightest would I be surprised. So I guess I need to do something where they can separate enough that they're not all going to be lined up to get shot down. Because it's absolutely hilarious, to be honest, but you know. See, now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like as many fighters as we want. I need to get it so it'll update the fighter names and give us something. Probably better like Alpha 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's something else. Again, I need to code. Whee! Oh yeah, it's a blasted annual. We've got to wait till we're in range. Boom! Boom! Ba-doom! Took him down. Take you out. Oh, no, that's a friendly there. Who are you? What's that friendly? Luhansk. It's one of us. Is that same ship? Got ya. Shot you in the armor though. Took him down anyway. Oh, and there's another one. Where'd you come from? Interesting. He was hiding in the shadow of the other fighter. But in the end, they were no match for my super cool missiles. They're 100% perfect and accurate and don't have any flaws whatsoever. Prove me wrong. Screenshot, or it didn't happen. Oh, yeah, I should have been firing stuff off at you. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, this is perfectly planned in every way. And did those missiles hit? Oh, they did by the looks of it. Let's get really up close and personal and I'll just finish you off with shotgun. Come. Haha. Okay. Where's the other one? There it is. Oh! What happened there? Come on. Die. What you might not be able to see is all the little turrets on that little gunship. But they're there. Just imagine all the performance that you get by using lower detailed models. Probably get away with just turning them off and not having anything visually showing from certain distances. Hey, everyone's got through. Now let's try and do what we said we wanted to do last time but failed to do because People got in the way. I don't think we can actually do it with this because we don't have enough thrust. Plus, yeah, we're all over the place. So they're moving at 250. Let's change this person so we actually know where the middle of our ship is. And then Kadoink, full speed, and no, override, no. So we're firing engines, but the only way we can get them to move faster is use afterburn. And then we slide off. Do you like how you can just fire missiles and get target lock when they're not on screen? Right, by the time it's targeted, they're dead. See how the pips also go hollow when I fire my guns? That's telling you it's reloading. Did you also notice the big X's? That means you're likely to miss. Well, shotgun's OP. Good oak. How fast can we go? See, it's even, oh, slowing us down then. Huh. Yay. Nice. Yep. Okay. So, destroy convoy or protect convoy. I think we've got everything we can potentially load out on this. 105. We got anything better on here? 184. Like 66, 132, 84, 184, 78. There we go. Huh? Well, I'm looking at the wrong value. 71. So we've got all the values here, which gives you DPS. If I remove that, you notice on the DBS drops? Because I could actually put that in, what's that, 173.38 as opposed to 172. Yeah. So let's get the gun damage enhancer on there because that will give us more bang for the buck. The more, let's see, 173.38. What do we get with that one? See how the value is not as high. Even though we put the same one and it made it higher. That's because every second module you add, there's a reduction in performance. So you can't just stack up the same mods and get to the same flat rate benefit. There's a degradation involved. And now I feel confident that I can destroy this convoy fairly quickly with our blasters. And Pushing the wrong keys. So blasters and missiles should make fairly quick work. Not like there's any rush. Going way too fast. Overshot. Fire missiles up your tailpipe. Have it, son. Boom. Go up to 250-ish. Can't really do that. Maybe I need a speed match button that when I can just push and say, why is speed match not working now? There it is. Rather than just doing like, oh, we'll match the speed and then we'll do that. It's just like push it and it'll set the speed to exactly what the ship's doing. Oh, look at all those flare effects. That's a lot. All grouped up. Is it a lot? Might be. There is code that's supposed to stop that sort of thing happening from spawning too close to each other. But, like, see, it works with the guns, but maybe it was the missiles there was an issue with. Possibly the missiles, but that shouldn't make a difference. Why would it make a difference? An entire script dedicated to spawning that does all the stuff. So the missiles aren't directly spawning, but requesting for spawns of those flame effects. And yeah, once you completed your objective, you can just say, "Ta-ra, mate, I'm not bothering with you." Well, we might as well autopilot since I used that in there. Let's do a scout. So last time we did a scout, I went and did the scan, but there's enemies involved. Interesting, why are you all the way over there? How bizarre. Let's see if you'll hit now if there's no guns getting in the way. Yeah, it must be. Exactly that. Check the missiles, where are you going? Boom! Boom! You missed. You missed again. You're embarrassing me. Yeah, got you. So now it says primary objectives are completed. So we can actually just quit because there's nothing stopping us from scanning that. Other than our own stupidity. So it's now become more of an optional since there's no more enemies around. And you can still do it if you really wanted to do the skin. Ooh. Bestow. And the game's like, well, what are you doing? You gonna exit or not? What are you up to, sunshine? You're just wasting your electricity. And there we go. So look, kill board. I killed 4 in there, 116 total. We kill prestige. What? Oh, right. Prestige earned by kills, 250. For completing the mission, 40. Total, 290. Experience, kills. We got 500 experience for the mission, 75. So it was worth killing the enemies. Get more experience. Give me a second. Be right back. Just need a quick wee. Oh, Shaz's bots. Throw me headphones all over the place. Pull the wire out of it almost. Okay. Alright. Oh, boy. Oh. Okay. So let's end this. As you do. 2 enemy carriers need to be taken out. Yes. Let's just check. Anything else we can fit? Any better blaster? No. Okay. That's a shame. Do have artillery, but artillery is significantly less damage. A significantly longer range, but we don't need that, so we'll just do this. But what happens if we decide to engage those fighters first, which are defending it? So I've always gone for the carriers. So let's mix it up. Oops. Yeah, let's fire that shotgun. Gotcha. You're too far away. Now I can get you. Oh no, there's more fighters. Oh, how interesting. Alright, there we go. And clean up all those reinforcements. No problem. Ha ha ha. You're as lethal as a feather. Sit right next to you. Oh, change view. Oh, lovely view. How about change view again? Oh yeah, lovely view. Like, yeah, shoot turrets. Yeah, that's great. Like, where's Michelle's gonna go? Nobody knows. Oh, right. That was bizarre. Oh, and now there's more. Well, I've used all my missiles. Oh, they jumped out. Okie dokie. You didn't though. Oh, drive malfunction. Yay. Who loves a drive malfunction? Oop. Oh shit. Should we just autopilot out of there? It never happened. It never happened, but it still says you destroyed one of the two carriers. This is the last mission. You keep playing with limited set of side missions. How exciting. How exciting. How exciting indeed. Anyway, that's me done. Check out the game, it's on Steam. There is a demo, and it is on sale for Early Access. Which this is a build, which is after I just knocked myself out with the microphone. Is a candidate, and we've just been testing these last couple of hours to make sure it's going to be as good as it can be, and we've identified some things that needs to be done before we can publish it to Steam as an update. And maybe, just maybe, we'll have an update in a week since it got published. Well, released. Even though I was planning on waiting a month. Well, I want to get it in its best light, and some changes really do make it put it in its best light. I don't have to update the demo because the demo was working fine. Or was it? I can't remember. Yeah, the demo's fine. I'll never know. Bye.